Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I'm in the 82-degree bedroom with the fan off. I gotta move a bunch of stuff in here. With the world's longest Ethernet cable, almost 50-foot cable. I couldn't find the short ones. And we have the Mac Mini power cord, the Ethernet cable, the adapter to plug the Mac Mini into the studio display, the studio display brick, the studio display port to plug into the studio display, another cable which I can't remember what it is, and the keyboard cable. So all this stuff had to be plugged into the Mac Mini. Well, let's see if this thing works. You can put the Mac Mini on its side, and there's the light for it, and I have no idea. I know the studio display is plugged in. Okay, there it goes. There it goes. There's the Mac Mini powering up. There's the studio display. Don't have another light in here because that one doesn't have a switch. And that one doesn't work, and I'm hoping to get that fixed next month finally. I gotta find the guy and call him again. This thing really whirs a lot. Makes a lot of noise when it boots up. And I am dying in here with the fan up. I'm turning the fan on. Well, I can't. I got blocked by yet another box. Hold on. I've been putting everything in boxes because it's been too hot to do anything. So there's a lot of stuff in here. Hold on a minute. Alright, I've got the fan on, thank God. And you can see this is taking a long time to boot up. I hope this thing works. Okay, now we got the blue screen. There's Mac OS 10. And then I guess to get on the internet, I'm going to have to... Oh, I've got the mouse here too. Let me turn on the mouse. I'm going to have to call my internet provider and get a way to hook up the Mac Mini to the internet. So this is app Mac Retro Computing, very retro. By the way, I found out that my 2009 MacBook, the average price for it out there is $168. So and I'm going to have a problem because I don't know what I'm going to do about the mouse. It may not recognize the mouse. You put your hand on this, you can feel it whirring. You hear that. So, your computer clock is set to a date before so-and-so. And how the hell am I going to go to preferences without a working mouse? I'm going to have to find another USB hub or hook up the USB hub and disconnect the keyboard. But anyway, the Mac Mini works, such as it is, and I'll have to work on the rest of it later after I've had a shower. It's like an oven in here. So there's the Mac Mini. I got more work to do on it. I will go switch the hub out and do a second video and see if I can get it recognize the mouse and then call my internet provider. And I have Quicken in here. Quicken 2006, so that may work. That'll be some help also. Box out of the way. Alright, so that's it. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh with Mac Retro Computing. The 2005 Mac Mini works. I don't know about the camera yet. I did find out something interesting. It's magnetic. And there's the Isight camera, so I can get that working maybe. We'll try. Stay warm, wet, dry, or cool out there, and stay safe. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and I will work on this and do another video later. Bye-bye for now.